Hey there, Binance traders. Ready to master XRP trading on Binance futures? Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and navigate to the Futures tab. Easy, right? Step 2. If you haven't already, transfer funds to your futures wallet. You can't trade without funds. Step 3. In the search bar, type XRP and select the XRP trading pair. This is your gateway to trading XRP. Step 4. Now set your leverage. Click on the leverage number and adjust it according to your risk tolerance. Remember, higher leverage can mean higher rewards but also higher risks. Trade smart. Step 5. Choose your order type. You have options like limit and market orders. Pick the one that suits your strategy best. Step 6. Enter the amount of XRP you want to trade. Then click buy or sell. You're almost there. Step 7. Monitor your position. Keep an eye on the market, and when you're ready, close your position. And there you have it. 7 simple steps to trade XRP on Binance Futures. Stay informed, trade responsibly, and happy trading. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more trading tips.